Top 3 powerful revolvers for beginners. First, we have the Ruger SP-101. This is a 5-shot double-action revolver in a small frame and all-steel construction with a 3-inch barrel size and chambered in .357 Magnum. Next, we have the Smith & Wesson model 686, introduced in 1981, a 7-shot double-action revolver chambered in .38 Special and .357 Magnum, and with its 4-inch barrel, it will give you pinpoint accuracy. Next up is the Ruger GP100, introduced in 1985. It is a 7 and 10-shot double-action revolver chambered in .38 Special and .357 Magnum. It's a tank in revolver form